majority of this video is just going to be me chucking a dice in the air. Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Christmas special, which I did mention in the last video. If you're new around here, consider subscribing, hit the like button if this is something you enjoy, because this is just purely for fun, just a Christmas laugh, you know, keep everyone laughing. And what we're going to do, we're going to do some impressions of other YouTubers. Like I say, it's just for a bit of fun. The ones that I do, you're going to see now. The ones that Craig does are going to be on his channel, so pop over to him. There will be a link in the description for this chap. Yes, so check them out once you've seen mine, and let's get into it. Right guys, Craig's made me go first, so let's give this dice a roll, and we'll have a look in the car and see what number correlates to which YouTuber. Ready?
Number 4.
Number 4.
Have a look, see what number 4 is.
Right, if anyone watches a lot of YouTube, you might know who Goonzquad are. There'll be a link to their channel anyway, so here we go. So before we get started on today's video, I just want to say we've just dropped some brand new merch. It's absolutely fire. There's nothing on the back, so let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the original Goonzquad garage. Today we're here working on our 2009 Vauxhall Astra. So guys, there you have it. That was the first one. I really hope no one was offended by it, and I hope you found it funny. So round 2, let's see what we get. Forgot to mention, we've completely missed out number 1. When does it ever land on number 1 on a dice? So we've cut that out, we've just gone for the 5. So let's give this a roll, see where we get. Right. 4 again.
Try again, mate.
Go again.
4 again. Right, 3rd time's the charm,
Right.
mate.
I'll go that way this time.
What you saying about 1 again?
This is all getting edited out. 5.
Woohoo.
There we go. What was number 5? Right, this is Stradman. This should be funny. Whoa, it's a cold one here today in England. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. What we thinking of the beard, guys? Strad girl, where you at? We got views on views, baby. Oscar, buddy, yay! Is he the cutest little floof?
Okay.
Right, so round 3. Let's just chuck this and see what we get. Not a 4, not a 1. 3, we'll take that. 3 for the 3rd one.
Wait, what's that?
This one, guys, you may know, it's Hayden. Yes peeps, what's poppin'? Welcome back to today's video. So we're going to be talking about the things that I do like about my Astra. Let's get into it. Right guys, 4th attempt, and let's hope we don't get the same number.
What again? What was he saying? It never lands on 1?
I know. How bad is that?
3.
3, just add 3.
Right, again.
The majority of this video is just going to be me chucking a dice in the air.
3 again.
Oh my god. Right. Here we go again. Let's try and get the number that we haven't had. 2. We'll
2,
take that.
finally.
DIY gang. How's it going, guys? Welcome back. So today, before we get started, I gotta get me a coffee. That's good. Right, so the last one up, and we don't need to roll the dice because trying to land that number, it's been hard enough trying to land the other numbers, so we'll forget about that. This last one is multi-car mods. Yeah.
Oh, Cheryl's ringing you.
G'day, Cheryl. No, I'm not going to meet you down the doctors again. Right guys, if you've made it this far, thank you very much and for sticking with us. Yeah. There are a couple of paragliders going around having fun up there, so if you can't hear us, I do apologise. We've had fun making it anyway. Been fun. We've had a good laugh.
I hope you've all had a nice Christmas as well.
Yeah, Merry Christmas everybody.
Yeah.
Don't forget, check this guy's channel out. His impressions will be there, and I'll be fair, His were a lot better than mine.
I don't know about that. I think they're both both equally embarrassing.
We've had a laugh doing it anyway.
Yeah, that's it.
And there'll be a link in the description for everyone's channel that we've done impressions for. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Merry Christmas. We'll see you in the new year. Woo! It's a oh god. Oh jeez. I've got to do a best bit to this. I am telling you. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Welcome to a beautiful hit. What? What? I can't just have it there, can I? Do you know what I mean? What am I doing in the car though? Do you know what I mean? What?
I don't know.
I need like a spanner or something. I'll be working in the glove box. Right, so let's not roll a 4, let's not roll a 1. We need 3 or a 5.
The 2 then.
Nope. No 2s. 3 or a 5. Right, guys, we need 2. No.
A 3 or a 5.
Right, we need a 3 or a 5.
That's close to 3.
Do you know what? It's a 3.